Hello, in this video, I'll be going through a web application we have developed to enable COIL participants to identify potential COIL partners. The starting point for this application is to register by clicking the registration link. You will then go through the terms of reference, which explains issues around privacy, confidentiality, GDPR, how your data will be shared, and security of your data. After going through the terms of reference, you will need to accept and then continue with the registration process. That brings you to the registration form, where you will fill in your details. Then you confirm your password, select your date of birth, you include your bio, the country of your residence, institution or university, assuming that your country is not listed amongst these, you may want to include them in this text box. Your role in the university where you are domiciled. If your roles or your role is not included in the list, you can as well add them here. Your educational qualifications. You can also list other qualifications. Your language. If your language is not listed here, you can go ahead to list the language here. Your professional skills. You go through the list of the professional skills provided, hold down the control key, and select the ones that are appropriate. You can as well list other skills that are not in the drop-down list. Your area of research interest. You can as well add other research interests. You then complete the registration. Having completed the registration, I can go ahead to log in with my login credentials. Then I will type my password and click sign in. After signing in, I will access my dashboard. In my dashboard, I have seen all the functionalities that have been provided to me through this app. I can manage my profile. I may want to edit the profile, assuming that my bio is too short. I may decide to expand it. as much as I want. Anything I don't want to change, I will not bother changing them on this updates form. Then I can complete the edits. Apart from my bio, every other thing remains as they were. Then I go back to my dashboard. I may decide to look at my projects. These links allow me to manage and create my projects. Looking at this link, you see that we have completed projects, my ongoing projects, and my pending projects. I may decide to create a new project, which I may call COIL Playbook. I may want to go ahead to describe the project. I may want to set the start date of the project, assuming that the project is starting today and maybe ending in 2 months' time. I can state whether the project is ongoing, completed, or pending. I will choose ongoing. Here I can indicate if the project should be visible to all COIL partners. If I turn off this, then the project will be hidden. This can also be changed later after creating the project. And this is where I indicate if this project needs a COIL partner. I may go ahead to select the skills that are required from a potential COIL partner. I may also want to categorize this project by identifying some keywords or themes that will best explain what this project is for. I may want to provide further information to a potential COIL partner. Then I'll submit. Automatically, I have created my project, which is an ongoing project. So here we will see the project, and I'm the only one in the project team as the project lead. I may go ahead to add a team member. I have identified somebody on the platform that wants to collaborate with me, whose email address is alice@example.com. And I want Alice to be an AI expert. I'll click Add. Alice is automatically part of the project. I may decide to remove Alice later, but for now, I will say cancel. Here, this shows that this project is public. I may decide to turn it off. Automatically, it's no longer public, but I may turn it back on so that other COIL participants will see it. I may also say that the project is not available for COIL partnership, or I may also turn it on. I can decide to delete this project. I may decide to update the project. This link here takes me to a chat room where I can interact with project teams. So any team member of this project will be able to join and have a conversation about this project in real time. Back to the dashboard. This link here takes me to another functionality that allows a COIL participant to explore projects, potential COIL partners, and connect with them. Here, we can search for COIL partners. We can also search for COIL projects. This list of names here are names that AI automatically identified based on my bio, project descriptions, and other information. We can search for a potential COIL partner based on their location, their qualifications, their ranking, project themes, language spoken, and their skills. If none of this is selected, all the COIL participants on this system will be listed. We can go to the next pages and so on. But let us assume that we need to select only people who are instructors and not students. We see that the list will reduce, and let us also say that these people who are instructors have to have skills in artificial intelligence. The list will also reduce. We may decide to explore the names that are listed here, either the ones that AI has recommended to us, or we want to explore the ones that we've searched by the criteria we have set by ourselves. We can go ahead to explore this potential COIL partner. We see their bio, we see other information about them. Scrolling down, we see projects that they have created. We've seen people in their team. These are the different projects they have created. We may want to ask them if they want to collaborate with us. We can say, do you want to collaborate with us on this particular project? We can go ahead to say collaboration request is the subject of the conversation. We are asking them, can we collaborate on the project Digital Transformation for Sustainable Energy Transition, with our name, the name of the current user appended. We may want to send this message to them. Let's go back to this. If we don't want to talk on any of the projects or request collaboration based on any of the projects they have enlisted, we may go ahead to send them any message explaining why we are connecting with them. It might be requesting for them to join our own team. Going back to the dashboard, we can as well look at a list of projects that are made available through our search functionalities. AI is also capable of recommending projects to us, but at the moment, no project has been identified for this current user. These are different projects that are listed. But we may want to search projects based on their theme. We may want to search them based on whether they are ongoing or pending projects. We may just say we are interested in only ongoing projects or maybe pending projects because they are future projects. We click search. So we have a list of projects that are yet to start. So we can go ahead to explore these projects. We identify that Bob Smith has published a project on this topic, Agri-Tech Plus. We may ask them for potential collaboration by also sending them message. So we have been able to message Bob Smith. To be able to demonstrate this conversation, let us also log in as Bob Smith. Logging in as Bob Smith. So as we can see, Bob Smith has 2 unread messages. We can click in to see these messages. Amongst these messages is the one we just sent to Bob Smith, asking for potential collaboration. Bob Smith can go ahead to reply. And we will be able to talk about this project. And we will be able to talk about this project in real time with Bob Smith. So, having shown this, let's go back to our dashboard. On the dashboard, we also have chat rooms. What chat rooms allow us to do is to engage in conversations. They could be general conversation. They can be about games. They can be about coding and other things we want to talk about. Let me also do Bob Smith chat rooms to see how different parties can participate in conversations within chat rooms. So as soon as you come to the chat rooms page, you find yourself in the general chat room. While in the general chat room, different COIL participants can engage in conversations, general conversations. But I may decide to go to a different chat room, maybe games. Here I have left the chat room. That is what Bob will notice. Then have automatically joined games room and can start engaging people in the games room. Assuming that I want to create a topic I'm interested in, I may call it COIL matchmaking. Automatically, I can join this chat room and Bob can join, and we will start discussing this particular topic. These rooms that are created by COIL participants by themselves are not permanent. But when we notice that a particular room is being created or related rooms are being created for a particular topic, we will try to create that room to become a permanent room. We can go back to the dashboard to see other functionalities. Here we have COIL blog. COIL blog allows every COIL participant to create a COIL post. For example, I can talk about COIL events in Scotland, and I give a content to this post, I can then make my post. Any other COIL participant elsewhere will be able to go to the COIL blog and see what I have posted. They may decide to make a comment about it. They may also decide to give it a thumb up. I can look further into comments. Maybe I give that comment a thumb up. The commenter may decide to delete the comment. Going back to the post, we will notice that posts that receive the most comments are highlighted as most popular posts. We have these functionalities are open to COIL community to suggest further functionalities they would like us to include in this app. We are looking forward to your suggestions to enable us expand this app and be able to serve your needs. Thank you, as we look forward to your contributions and feedback regarding our app. I can now log out.